Good morning, children, and welcome again to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School. I myself, Anjana Dikshit from New Area Senior Grade. Children, please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed it yet. And today we'll read a very important topic in grammar section, that is tense. Without tense, you cannot speak anything correctly or write any article or anything correctly. In order to write or speak correct English, you should have good knowledge of tense. Tense is what? Tense are verb forms. Okay, what is tense? Tense are verb forms which is used to indicate the time. Okay, now you might have read in earlier classes how many types of tenses are there? 3. What are they? Present, past and future. Present means what is going on. Past means what has already happened. And future means what will happen in the coming time. Is it clear, children? Now each of these 3 forms of tense are divided into 4 groups. Clear? One is simple, other is continuous, then is perfect, and next is perfect continuous. Suppose first is present, that means present time which is going on. So first is present simple, that means he reads, it is his habit to read. Present continuous, that is he is reading, that means he is reading at present. And perfect, he has read. Okay, perfect continuous, he has been reading. This is what? 4 forms of present tense. Similarly, past tense. Past tense, what you will write? Past simple, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Similarly, future simple, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. Perfect continuous are generally not in use in present time, but as this is in the form, you have to read it. So I'll explain all this. Now let me tell you the structure of all these types of sentences. Present simple. Present simple, the structure is subject plus V1 oblique V5 plus object. Suppose Ram reads a book. Reads is verb and book is object. He is or Ram is subject. Similarly, continuous is subject plus ismr plus V4 or V1 ing also you can say plus object. That means Ram is reading a book. I am going to the market. All these are present continuous tenses. Similarly, present perfect. In this, you will use subject plus have oblique has plus V3 plus object. Ram has read the book, or I have done the work. Now you see, in all these sentences, V3 is used. Okay, not V1 or V2. V3 is used in perfect sentences. Perfect continuous, subject plus has oblique have plus been plus V4 plus since or for or time you can mention in that, then you will write object. For example, I have been doing my homework for 4 hours. This is what? Present perfect continuous. So children, today I have explained present tense and the forms of that. In the next class, I will explain past and future forms. That's all children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.